to road signs for driving tests. Whether you're preparing for your test or just refreshing your knowledge, we're covering 40 must-know road signs to boost your confidence and keep you safe on the road. If you find these tips helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out. Let's dive in. What does this sign mean? The correct answer is B. Can you identify this road sign? The answer is A. Do you recognize this sign? The answer is C, meaning lane 2 is closed ahead. Which road sign indicates a steep grade or hill with a specific incline percentage? What is the purpose of this sign? The correct choice is A. What would you call this road sign? It's a turn left ahead sign. What is the name of this road sign? It's a steep grade hill percentage sign. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a traffic cues likely ahead sign. Can you name this sign? The answer is A. Which road sign shows that a traffic signal is photo enforced? What does this road sign indicate? The answer is A, representing no U-turn. Have you seen this sign before? The answer is C, which means school crossing. Do you know what this sign represents? The answer is B, referring to a motorway restaurant. What do you think this road sign is called? It's a photo-enforced traffic signal sign. How would you name this road sign? It's a school crossing sign. What name would you give this road sign? It's a no U-turn sign. What type of sign is this? The answer is A, which indicates a crossroad. Which sign directs drivers to exit from the left lane on a freeway? What information does this sign provide? The correct answer is B. What is this sign telling drivers? The answer is A, representing a checkerboard. What would you name this road sign? It's a sign indicating no driving on the shoulder. What name would you give this road sign? It's a dip sign. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a checkerboard sign. How should drivers interpret this sign? The correct choice is A. What does this symbol on the sign mean? The answer is B. Can you tell what this sign indicates? The sign is A, indicating lane 2 and 3 closed ahead. What should a driver do when they see this sign? The answer is B, which stands for keep left. What do you think is the name of this road sign? It's a lane 2 and 3 closed ahead sign. What would be the name of this road sign? It's a Y intersection sign. How would you name this road sign? It's a keep left sign. Do you know the restriction this sign imposes? The correct choice is B. Which road sign warns drivers that driving on the shoulder is no longer allowed? What regulation does this sign enforce? The correct answer is B. What kind of lane does this sign mark? The right answer is A, representing a contra-flow bus lane. Where would you expect to find this sign? The answer is B, which stands for dangerous goods route. What do you think this road sign is called? It's a sign indicating vehicles exceeding an indicated gross weight are prohibited from crossing the bridge. What is the name of this road sign? It's a no snowmobiles sign. What name would you give to this road sign? It's a dangerous goods route sign. Which group of people does this sign warn about? The sign is B, meaning children going to or from school. What safety message does this sign convey? The right choice is A. What type of road feature does this sign warn about? The correct answer is B. How should drivers react when they see this sign? The answer is C. which stands for double curve ahead. Which sign indicates crosswinds ahead? What would you call this road sign? It's a double curve ahead sign. What would be the name of this road sign? It's a pedestrian crossing sign. What is the name of this road sign? It's a children going to or from school sign. Does this sign allow entry? The right choice is B. Which road sign signals an upcoming level crossing without a gate? Which direction does this sign instruct? The answer is A, meaning keep right. What type of vehicle is restricted by this sign? The answer is B, which means no bicycles. How does this sign affect merging traffic? The correct choice is A. How would you refer to this road sign? It's a keep right sign. What name would you give to this road sign? It's a no bicycle sign. How would you call this road sign? It's a no entry sign. What special fuel does this sign indicate? The answer is C. What parking rule does this sign enforce? The right choice is B, meaning no waiting. What speed regulation does this sign introduce? The answer is B. Can you find lodging based on this sign? The answer is C, which represents lodging. And that's a wrap on our 40 must-know road signs. We hope this helped you feel more confident behind the wheel. If you found these tips useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more driving advice. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your driving journey.